Welcome to Mental Models Daily, where we explore one mental model each day to help you elevate your daily decision-making. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept in statistics that helps us understand the behavior of large data sets, the Central Limit Theorem. The Central Limit Theorem, or CLT, states that the distribution of the mean of a large sample of independent and identically distributed random variables will be approximately normal, regardless of the underlying distribution of the individual variables. In simpler terms, it says that the average of a large number of random variables will tend towards a normal distribution, even if the individual variables themselves are not normally distributed. Think of it like a game of chance where you're rolling a large number of dice. Each die roll is an independent event, and the outcome is random. But if you were to take the average of all the rolls, you'd find that it converges towards a normal distribution, with the majority of the averages clustering around the mean. The Central Limit Theorem has far-reaching implications in many fields, from finance to medicine to social sciences. It helps us understand why many natural phenomena, such as the heights of people or the returns on investments, tend to follow a normal distribution. It's like a hidden pattern that underlies many aspects of our world. Let's consider an example. Imagine you're a manager at a company, and you want to understand the average sales performance of your team. You collect data on the sales figures of each team member, and you find that the individual numbers are all over the place. But when you take the average of the entire team, you find that it follows a normal distribution, with the majority of the team members clustering around the mean. This is the Central Limit Theorem in action. In business and personal life, understanding the Central Limit Theorem can help us make better decisions and predictions. By recognizing that many phenomena follow a normal distribution, we can use statistical methods to analyze and forecast outcomes. It's like having a crystal ball that helps us see the underlying patterns in the data. Historically, the Central Limit Theorem has played a crucial role in the development of modern statistics and data analysis. It's a fundamental concept that underlies many statistical techniques, from hypothesis testing to regression analysis. Interestingly, the Central Limit Theorem also has implications for our understanding of uncertainty and randomness. By recognizing that many phenomena follow a normal distribution, we can better understand the role of chance and probability in our lives. It's like having a deeper appreciation for the underlying mechanics of the universe. So, how can we apply the Central Limit Theorem in our daily lives? Firstly, it encourages us to think in terms of distributions rather than individual data points. By recognizing that many phenomena follow a normal distribution, we can better understand the underlying patterns and trends. Secondly, it reminds us to be cautious of outliers and anomalies. While the Central Limit Theorem says that the average will tend towards a normal distribution, it's still possible for individual data points to be extreme outliers. Lastly, understanding the Central Limit Theorem can help us develop a more nuanced understanding of uncertainty and probability. By recognizing the role of chance and randomness in our lives, we can make better decisions and predictions. In conclusion, the Central Limit Theorem is a powerful mental model that helps us understand the behavior of large data sets and the underlying patterns of many natural phenomena. By recognizing the role of the Central Limit Theorem, we can make better decisions, predictions, and forecasts. In a world of uncertainty, the Central Limit Theorem offers a valuable tool for navigating the complexities of data and probability. Thank you for joining me today on Mental Models Daily. I hope this exploration of the Central Limit Theorem has inspired you to think more critically about data and probability. Until next time, may your understanding of statistics be sharpened and your decision-making be more informed. For more mental models, please visit mentalmodelsdaily.com or find us on X or Instagram. Our podcast music was provided by thepodcasthost.com and Alitu, the podcast maker. Find your own free podcast music over at thepodcasthost.com. Free music.